So here is my video of the two bald eagles that I have, two different videos of roosting together. And so I wanted to monitor kind of the communal roosting behavior of these two juveniles because it is during breeding season, but they are not actually a breeding pair. And so I wanted to look into the communal roosting specifically in the summertime. Communal roosting is known for being more of a wintertime behavior in bald eagles, but in this case, they're seen doing it in the summer as well. So in my first research article by Bueller written in 1991, they documented the different types of communal roosts, as well as seeing communal roosts in the summer and the winter, and seeing these roosts in large trees, mainly oaks, which the next video you'll see are in the oaks. And so that is definitely what they're doing. They're also in undeveloped public areas. This roost right here is in public land next to a reservoir. And so that is where you see them now. And so my first level analysis being causation and my hypothesis that communal roosting does occur all year round. My next article is from Keister et al. And this article was mainly talking about where the roosting is happening and why. And so this research found that they are mainly roosting very close to food sources. And so they were looking for different behavior, but they ended up finding a different result. And so my level of analysis for development, the subadult eagles returned to communal roosting for food sources after seeing their parents looking for food sources there. And so in my next article, they go into the social aspects of the communal roosting, specifically during non-breeding season, which this isn't non-breeding season, but it is a pair of non-breeding eagles. And so you can see them hanging out near breeding site there in this next video. Same two eagles, both juveniles, but obviously not a breeding pair. And so in this article is written by Rastani et al. And so like I said, they're talking about more of the social aspects, but eagles are migrating throughout certain corridors, just going to that abundant prey species. And the cool part about this is that they're following each other to different foraging sites, and that's what they found in this. And so that was my level of analysis for evolution, in that interspecies communication is happening to show other eagles where there are known food sources. And then lastly, in my last article, this one is going to be by Watts and Dyer, and they go into a much bigger development of the hypothesis that these roosts are actually networking hubs, and it's the greatest opportunity for information exchange, and the advantage is being able to follow each other to find the greatest food sources. And so my level of analysis for function is going to be that interspecies communication is going to be vital for these adult bald eagles, and more so the subadults can learn common behaviors and food sources. And that article also goes into the benefit being particularly for the young inexperienced eagles to learn from those adults and find those greater food sources from the others. And this all we can relate back to a few of the modules, definitely the communication module, but also I think cooperation is a huge part in this between the older bald eagles and the subadults.